Hi, welcome to Spicy Gigi. Today we're going to be making stir-fry noodles with shrimp. Just a few things to keep in mind. You want to make sure that your oil is hot enough so that you are stir-frying your ingredients and not steaming them. And you also want to make sure that you're not overcrowding your wok or your pan. All right, let's get started. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Bon appétit!